Welcome everyone. Today we're going to talk about how you can go from foundation to fortune by building a real estate empire right here in Kansas City with a little help from Alpine Property Management. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to expand your portfolio, Kansas City offers a wealth of opportunities that, with the right approach, can turn into gold mines. Let's dive into how you can maximize these opportunities to build lasting wealth. First off, let's address why Kansas City is a prime spot for real estate investors. The city is experiencing a boom in development and population growth, fueled by its vibrant culture, growing job market, and affordable living costs. This makes it a fertile ground for real estate investments, whether you're interested in residential, commercial, or mixed-use properties. But as many of you know, simply buying property isn't enough. Building a real estate empire requires strategy, foresight, and most importantly, excellent management. That's where Alpine Property Management comes into play. With our extensive experience and deep local knowledge, we don't just manage properties, we optimize them. We handle everything from tenant screening and lease management to maintenance and renovations, ensuring that your investments perform at their best. For those of you looking to acquire properties quickly or who might need to liquidate assets to reinvest, our We Buy Houses program offers a perfect solution. Alpine Property Management Kansas City can purchase your properties directly, providing you with fast, competitive offers. This service is ideal for investors who need to make quick adjustments to their portfolios, ensuring you remain agile in a dynamic market. Now, building a real estate empire isn't just about acquiring and managing properties, it's about scaling. And scaling effectively requires a strong foundation in several key areas. Market analysis. Understanding the local market is crucial. Where are the up-and-coming neighborhoods? What types of properties are in high demand? Alpine's team of experts continuously analyzes market trends to guide our clients toward the most lucrative investments. Financial management. Managing the finances of multiple properties can be daunting. Alpine Property Management provides comprehensive financial services, including budgeting, rent collection, and financial reporting, all tailored to help you keep your financial goals on track. Legal compliance. Navigating the complexities of property laws and regulations can be one of the biggest challenges for real estate investors. Our team ensures that all your properties are compliant with local, state, and federal regulations, mitigating risks and safeguarding your investments. Tenant relations. Keeping tenants happy is key to minimizing turnover and maximizing rental income. Alpine Property Management excels in tenant relations, from conducting thorough tenant screenings to handling day-to-day communications and issues swiftly and professionally. As you expand your portfolio, these foundational elements become increasingly critical. They not only support the growth of your empire, but also ensure its sustainability and resilience against market fluctuations. Alpine Property Management is equipped to handle all aspects of this growth, providing you with the peace of mind that every part of your investment portfolio is being expertly managed. Strategic portfolio expansion. Growth doesn't just happen, it's planned. Expanding your real estate portfolio strategically involves more than purchasing additional properties. It requires a careful assessment of market conditions, potential returns, and the balance of your portfolio. With Alpine Property Management, we don't just look for new properties. We help you identify opportunities that complement and enhance your existing investments, ensuring diversity and stability in your portfolio. Technology integration. In today's real estate market, integrating technology is not just an advantage, it's a necessity. Alpine Property Management utilizes cutting-edge property management software that provides real-time data on every aspect of your portfolio. This technology enables efficient management of properties, from automated rent collection to maintenance tracking and tenant communication, all accessible from your smartphone or computer. This level of control and oversight allows you to make informed decisions quickly, keeping your empire agile and responsive to market changes. Value enhancement. Building an empire is about more than acquiring assets. It's about increasing their value over time. Alpine Property Management specializes in identifying value-add opportunities across your properties. Whether through cosmetic upgrades, structural improvements, or amenities enhancements, we guide our clients on where investments are most likely to increase property values and rental appeal, thus boosting overall returns. Risk management. As your portfolio grows, so does your exposure to risk. Effective risk management is crucial for safeguarding your assets. Alpine Property Management helps mitigate risks through comprehensive insurance coverage, regular property inspections, and strict compliance with all regulatory requirements. We also maintain an emergency response system to handle unexpected issues, ensuring that your investments are protected under all circumstances. Long-term financial planning. Building a real estate empire requires a vision for the future. Our financial experts at Alpine Property Management assist in developing long-term financial plans that align with your investment goals. This includes forecasting cash flows, optimizing tax strategies, and planning for future acquisitions or renovations. We ensure that your financial foundation is as strong as your properties, supporting sustained growth and profitability. Community building. A real estate empire is part of a larger community, and positive community relations can significantly enhance the value of your investments. Alpine Property Management actively engages with the communities around your properties, from participating in local events to supporting neighborhood improvement projects. This not only enhances the reputation of your properties, but also builds loyalty among tenants, which can lead to longer tenancies and less turnover. In wrapping up, building a real estate empire in Kansas City is an exciting and complex adventure, one that requires a sharp strategy, advanced technology, expert guidance, and proactive management. Alpine Property Management is dedicated to providing all these services and more, ensuring that your journey from a foundation to fortune is both successful and seamless. Thank you for joining us as we explored the ins and outs of building a real estate empire in Kansas City with the help of Alpine Property Management. If you're ready to expand your real estate investments or want more information on how to maximize the potential of your current portfolio, contact us today. We're here to help you achieve your real estate investment goals. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content about real estate investment. Your engagement helps us continue to deliver helpful tips and updates for investors. Join us next time as we continue to unlock the potential of real estate in Kansas City with Alpine Property Management leading the way. Let's build something great together.